everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound of group 5. Okay, so we were learning about the sound of w, and yes, z. Okay, good, we still remember. Alright, now we are going to continue. And this time we are going to learn about this letter. Yes, do you know what letter is this? Very good. V. And what is the sound of the letter V? V. So the movement is like you are driving a van. Okay? V. Okay, can we do it together? Say the sound and do the movement. Great. Okay. Good job. Alright, now let's see the uppercase of the letter V and the lowercase. Ta-da! This is the uppercase. Okay, the letter V, right? The mommy. And another one is the lowercase, the baby of the letter V. Good job. Alright, now let's check the words that start with the V sound. Okay, and the first we have this picture. What picture is this? Do you know? Yes, you're right. It's a van. Okay, everybody say together with me, please. Van. Good job. Next, we have this picture for us to put the flower in. Okay, what picture is this? Yes, very good. A vase. Let's say together with me. 1, 2, 3. Vase. Good job. Okay, and the next we have this picture. What picture is this? Great. A vest. Okay, for us to wear. Vest. Let's say together, please. Vest. Good. And then we have another one. This is a musical instrument. Start with the V. Can you guess what is that? Great. It's a violin. Yes. Good. Let's say together. Violin. Very good. And then we have this picture. Wow. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, you're right. It's a volcano. Yeah, volcano. Let's say together. Volcano. Very good. And then we have another one. This is the food that good for our body, so it's healthy food. Yes, do you know what picture is this? You're right, vegetables. Yes, and don't forget to eat the vegetable every single day, okay? Because it's good for our body. Okay, great. Let's say together one more time. Vegetable. 1, 2, 3, go. Vegetable. Vegetable. Okay, great. Okay, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy your riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is the kind of profession, and this is the doctor for the animals. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a vet. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, everyone. Now let's have a quick review about the sound of Okay, let's check. This is the letter V. Okay, can you please point where is the mommy of the letter V? Good job. How about the baby? The lowercase. Very good. Okay, and what is the sound of the letter V? Don't forget the movement, please. Yes. All right. Now let's mention. Okay, let's mention again the objects that start with V sound. Okay, we have the pictures before. All right, good. Okay, we start with this. What picture is this? Yeah, van. Okay, let's do the movement and say it together. Van. Okay, very good. How about this? Great. Vase. Vase. Okay, how about the next? Yes. Vest. Vest. Okay, and the next one? Yes. Violin. Violin. And then we still have this. What is that? Yes. Volcano. One more time. Volcano. And the last one we have this. The healthy food. What is that? Yes. Vegetable. Vegetable. Okay, very good everyone. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.